Welcome to Falk-Built Calgary. This is our 90,000 square foot factory that manufactures all the digital components that are shipped to job sites all over the world. Our small manufacturing footprint has a production capacity of $250 million a year, delivering the highest quality solutions for the most competitive costs construction has ever seen. There are 4 production cells, each designed for speed of throughput, continuous operation, and precision control. Everyone on the floor has been cross-trained to work in all of the production cells to guarantee maximum utilization of the labor force while also ensuring quality control and job satisfaction. The 4 production cells, steel, aluminum, wood, and custom metal, surround our beautiful Falk nest, which we placed right in the center of our manufacturing operations. The steel production cell fabricates our super studs, which are the backbone of our solid wall, as well as Falk-Built's patented digital horizontals, where we mount pre-engineered electrical solutions. And speaking of electrical, this cell also produces national and international code-compliant medical and conventional-grade electrical components. The architectural aluminum production cell makes all the aluminum components used in our glass walls and doors and come in a variety of finishes, including powder coat, anodized, and Falk skin. The wood production cell fabricates and labels all of our cladding and millwork. We can produce virtually limitless configurations and finishes to give our clients exactly what they want. Our CNC machines receive instructions from 3D integrated technologies, including Revit, Inventor, and TrueNest. This is also where we apply our durable and cleanable Falk skin with our 3D laminate presses. These presses hermetically seal all Falk-built cladding and millwork. Our 4-cell custom metal production fabricates all of our custom metal components. As the digital components are produced, they are flat stacked on skids, ready to be loaded on a truck and shipped to the job site. We hope you've enjoyed our quick little tour, and we look forward to showing you around in person soon.